Impact of COVID-19. The world largest lockdown means all the factories, markets, shops and places of worship are now closed. Most public transports suspended or construction work held as India asks its citizens to stay home and practice for social distancing. So far, India has made more than 1300 confirmed cases of COVID-19, including 35 deaths. Already, the data has shown in the main countries regarding much lower level of harmful particulate matters known as PM 2.5 and the of nitrogen dioxide, which is released by the vehicles and the power plant. PM 2.5, which is the smaller than 2.5 micrometer in diameters, is considered particularly dangerous as the lodge deep into the lungs and passes through the organs and the bloodstreams, causing the serious health risk. Environmental impact of coronavirus lockdown. With reduction of air and road noise and the rule of the lockdown, due to this, our country, our society, or our air is also cleaned around the world. Forever, the aircraft were grounded, road empty of vehicles. Environmental process and the last impact of coronavirus. These the graphs are shown in Bengaluru, Kolkata. The factory's largest lockdown mean the shops and place worships are now closed. Most of the transport suspended and construction work headed as the India asked in the citizens to stay home and practice social distancing. China, Mumbai are pollution going too much. They cannot left the suffering from many human beings be the way to clean the air. Delhi, India started off 24 March with 3 weeks national-wide lockdown. Prime Minister Narendra Modi expanded it the eco to phrase from 19 days between after May 3 and 14 days lockdown for May 4 and May 17. And the last, the data of the Central Pollution Control Board, part of the India Environmental Ministry, were collated by the Center for the Research and Energy and Clean Air. Nitrogen oxide when went from 52 per cubic meter to 15 same periods, also a 71% fall. Mumbai, China, Kolkata, and Bengaluru have also recorded a fall in these air pollutant. Thank you.